All right, in all seriousness, though, we've got the WDSU First Warning Weather Alert Day Monday night. So most of our Monday is going to be free and clear, but I want you to be prepared for some hefty storm potential, especially after you go to bed Monday night, which means I want you to have your smart devices ready to go so they can give you alerts. If you got those on silent mode, if you got those on that mode that no disturbance and all that, you're not going to get it. So make sure you've got that setting correct. Before we get there, here's where that storm sits. Already got some pretty hefty rain all the way from the Central Plains, strong storms to the Southern Plains today. But there's a look at that cold front coming in, and out ahead of it, we're in the warm sector for sure. What's called the warm sector. It's south of the warm front there. It's ahead of that cold front, pumping in some high warmth and humidity and also getting some right wind structure in the atmosphere to put together ingredients for possible tornadoes. So we start off the day on Monday here with temperatures actually rising into Bogalusa and Slidell. So temperatures there already into the 40s. You're actually going to rise overnight towards tomorrow morning. So just after the midnight hour, technically, you're going to hit the low for the day. But want you to be prepared. It's not as chilly as it is right now. So here's one timing of these particular storms. And there's a little bit of a difference, but I think this one's got a good beat on it. Our Monday's fine. All throughout the day, the sunshine comes out. Temperatures start to warm. You might have a passing shower, but that's not going to be a severe storm. It's well after sunset and after 10 o'clock. Shows the North Shore here first, the arrival of storms. Then coming into where most of us will be, into the New Orleans area and Slidell and points north and west from there, or north and east rather, you get into about 2 in the morning. So this is midnight and just after. But once they start to roll through here, they will make some quick progress off to the east. What are we talking about in the way of severe risk? All the region is under levels 1, 2, and 3. All of us under that level 2 risk for possible severe storms, but where that greatest risk will be, that's the highest tornado threat, that little what we call hatched areas for possibly strong tornadoes. EF2 or higher, right now still a 5% chance of those tornadoes here. And again, this is when they arrive later in the day. It's warm, temperatures nearing 80, high humidity as well, and enough spin, which means our greatest risk is still from a lot of heavy rain and lightning, possible strong winds, but the tornado threat is real. We haven't had a whole lot of weather going through summer up until now, so I really want us to be prepared for this. So the storm timing I have is coming into the northern portions of our area towards Tangipahoa Hotel after 6 o'clock, the earliest potential for the storms. But most of us should expect that well after sunset and even closer to the midnight hour after 9 o'clock. Once the storms are through, the threat is over. Tuesday, we're going to have much cooler air. The high says 70 degrees or so, but that's just after midnight. Most of the temperatures during the day will be during the 60s, so don't look at that 72-degree high and think, oh, it's going to be a mild day, it's going to be warm. It's not. We go into the Thanksgiving forecast. We'll have to watch this one too. There is a chance we bring some rain in for that Thanksgiving day. Some discrepancies on it, how much we get, how far north or south that system goes. It's a low chance right now, but it could be kind of a wet and cool day. WDSU First Warning Weather Alert Day, coming in for the potential for severe storms and even that risk of tornadoes. We'll keep you advised. We'll be here and staff it even in the overnight hours. I'll be handing off to meteorologist Damon Singleton and cut in if necessary.